Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I will eat udon. So making meat dumpling. Meat dumpling. So making meat dumpling soup and serve with udon. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. So today I'm just using food processor because I'm making like a paste of meat. Okay, I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna make soup. It's a 1 liter water with kombu, just boiling up, and make dashi. So today I'm going to show you easy way to make the dashi. So this is the dashi powder. In Japan, the many dashi powder. Its name is one of the brand is Hondashi. Hondashi. It's a flavor from seaweed and dried bonito powder. It's a flake, like a stick. So this one is a little bit particular, another flavor of dashi. We Japanese people call ago dashi. So ago means another like a fish shredded flake powder. It's not a bonito. Usually katsuobushi is made like a dried bonito powder. I mean shredded dried bonito. This one is made from tiny flying fish. So we call ago. It's another flavored powder. So this one is a little bit different taste of katsuobushi. So more, I guess, good matching of udon or soba. It's a little bit different, rich flavor. I love this one. It's ago dashi, ago dashi. Okay, I'm gonna use one of a stick. I think out of Japan, your country, you can find some hondashi. It's a powder of katsuobushi soup making flavor from katsuobushi powder, like a same product you can find maybe or some another package of powder. I'm really recommend. So easy to way make soup stock. Very basic of making Japanese food. It's a dashi making. Okay, so today I'm use ago dashi. So pick up kombu. And dashi stick. I'm using today ago dashi stick like this. Okay, easy to make. Making meat dumpling using my kitchen tool, food processor. So I'm use alcohol spray clean. And garlic and ginger in, and long leek, meat, and starch. egg, pepper, shiro dashi, my favorite, white soy sauce, 10cc, and little bit secret seasoning, the regular soy sauce, just a little bit, added flavor. Okay. And meat, and mixed up. Dumpling base, chicken soup powder, pepper, and shiro dashi, check taste. Oh, so good. Soy sauce will be. Taste again. Perfect. I'm gonna keep half meat dumpling. Like this. So cooling down, then I'm keep in my freezer. So another day, I'm gonna make another food. For example, making some sweet and sour pork, saute with veggie and meat dumpling, and making sweet and sour sauce, making we call subuta, sweet and sour pork. It's a good item. Or I'm gonna try to use some meat sauce spaghetti. You can use it, meat sauce, and added some tomato. So you can make pasta, any kind, or you can use some deep fried, so making some appetizer, like meat dumpling fried. So a good appetizer, just cooling down and packed in the Ziploc, and keep in my fridge. So anyway, I'm gonna make meat dumpling udon. So I'm gonna add it veggie. So this is a daikon radish, thin sliced. Okay. This. Egg. Try to taste. Okay, done. Okay, this is my original recipe, meat dumpling udon. Yes, looks good. And I'm just steamy. It's the Japanese famous chili. Little bit. いきます。ダンプリン。So good, so tasty. So I already show you I use starch to mix up with meat dumpling. It's meaning more smooth texture, and then starch had work about sticky, kind of like glue, stick together with meat paste, and then the chewing texture is more smooth. Also, I'm just added egg and pepper and shirodashi. So good.